Do you need to get that old dark color completely off your wall? Well, if so, you came to the right place because painting over dark walls doesn't have to be hard. But there are a few things you should consider. We're going to show you what we did to get it off our wall. Hey guys, we're Daires and Akilah of DIY Power Couple.
And we're here to help you update your home
and save money by doing it yourself.
So today is a little bittersweet because we have to prime over Charlotte. And if you remember, she was a surprise to my daughter. Open your eyes.
It is so pretty. I love all of it.
So if you remember that video, it's kind of sad that she's moving on to her tween years. We're gonna see how priming over black paint, acrylic paint, if that really works. I'll show you what we used and how it turned out.
Why would you repaint your wall white? You may be a renter who decided to paint the walls in your place when you first moved in. At the time, you chose dark colors that made you feel good about your space. And now you have to restore the walls to their original color because you want to get your full security deposit back. Or you can own an older home and the outdated color scheme just doesn't match your modern palette. It could be that you absolutely loved the bright and bold colors when you first moved in, but now you feel that the bright colors need to be removed. Or you could be like us, where you need to paint over a custom mural that has acrylic paint, a textured surface, and several saturated colors from discounted Oops paint we found at our local home improvement store. With so many bold colors on one wall, you definitely need to use a high quality primer. We used one that was specifically designed for dark surfaces. While we were searching, we looked for primers that adhere to all surfaces and hide dark colors. I didn't even know they actually say that on the can, but they do. We needed something that had excellent adhesion because we were also thinking about how the final paint color will stick to the wall. If you really want to know something, the truth is, using a high quality primer will help the paint adhere and prevent the dark color from bleeding through to your final paint color. Hey guys, I just want to let you know that we have a membership. If you want to show appreciation for the channel and be a part of our inner circle, click to join on our homepage or in the link below. Now let's get back to it. To effectively paint over dark colors, taking the time to prepare your wall by patching, lightly sanding, and cleaning it with TSP, a strong degreaser. This combination helps remove any existing finishes on your surface.
So this is the product that we're going to be using.
We prefer to use this thick bonding primer with a medium 3/8 professional grade roller. Thin primers will cause dark colors to bleed through even after the primer is dried. Your roller will shed faster and the paint will not thoroughly adhere to the wall. We like when the roller maintains its fullness and rolls on the wall instead of peeling and sliding when you stroke up and down. Even though the can says you can paint in 1 hour or it dries in 30 minutes, that's usually not the case for dark colors. We're going to tell you the ugly truth about how to paint over dark colors so you're truly happy with your project in the end. When you're doing this type of project, you'll be tempted, like anyone would, to rush through this process. But we ask that you take your time so you're not disappointed when it's all said and done. Please make sure that each coat of paint dries completely before you apply the next one. Apply the fresh paint of color you picked in thin, even coats.
So this is after one coat of the primer. You can still see the eyes and kind of that outline. So we're gonna let that dry overnight and check it out tomorrow and see if we need another coat or if we're just gonna paint it white. So we let that dry and then we're doing one more coat of the primer. You can still see the cat right in here. So I'm pleased though with what the first prime did. And then you can see the difference. But this is coat 2. after letting it dry for 24 hours. I think this coat will be the one. What do you think, babe?
Yeah. If you're trying to cover other paints, you probably need a minimum of 2 coats.
With a real thick primer.
With a real thick bonding primer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because this is the bonding primer. That's just the regular primers. Oh, I just dropped some on the floor.
After 2 coats of primer and 1 coat of paint, Charlotte is completely gone. Let's see where the ears were.
In our son's room, he wanted a couple of stripes on his accent wall and a display for his train set. When he was younger, we showed him how to patch and fix his wall. This was a great time because the entire family painted a dark blue-gray color on the wall. We took our time when we did this and showed both of them the way we DIY. We gave them confidence and let them know that they can DIY too. When it was all said and done, he was extremely happy. He really enjoyed this room. But after some time, we made the decision to move to another state. You know, it's really not that hard to paint over dark colors if you patch and sand the wall, choose a high quality primer, use premium brushes and rollers, wait 24 hours or until the paint fully dries before adding another coat. Realize that you have to use multiple coats of primer over dark colors. And take your time, don't rush. Now that your room is back to white, we want to share a simple way that will allow you to add color to your room on any wall without the frustration of having to prime over more colors. We want to thank our friends at Samplize for sending us peel and stick paint samples.
We have been advocates of
Getting your own paint sample. But it's kind of a hassle to deal with that. You have to get all these individual cans of one color of paint.
We are excited to show you a new way to do your paint samples.
Samplize has peel and stick paint samples delivered right to your door. It's changing the paint game, and we want you to try it too.
We'll leave a promo code in the description.
So let's get back to the project. Now you know how to paint over dark colors. And you need multiple coats of primer for dark colors. Because in the end, you want all your walls to look like new. And if you like videos like these, please subscribe to our channel.
And we look forward to seeing you in the next video.